Welcome to Mojo Friday. This is Joe Lesh, your voiceover coach from VoiceOver Extra. Today's topic, are you pursuing the right goals? Challenges often arise when we choose too many goals. Here's my 4-step guide to help you sift through the stars and find which ones to reach for. 1. Think about the big picture. Reflect on who you are and what really matters to you. Make a list of your 10 most important values. Then think about what you want more than anything. Keep it short. Once you have clarity, you can sort through your goals and find which ones that truly matter. 2. Think about your budget and compromise accordingly. Be realistic when you think about the constraints you face. Pick something reasonable like saving up a few $1,000s. Time and physical limitations are also important to consider, which brings us to our next point. 3. Consider your health. If you have a work-related goal, say to hit 6 figures, but your doctor just told you that your health is in question, it may be time to set aside your money-related goals and focus on your health. Take a 30-minute walk each day. This would be much more important than squeezing in a few extra hours of work. And 4. Remember those around you. If you're in a situation where other people are dependent on you, you may need to set aside some of your personal goals in favor of meeting theirs. This is Joe Lesh, your voiceover coach. There's a subscribe button on my YouTube channel. It should be right about there. Be sure to click it. And join me for Mojo Friday, the first and third Friday of each month here at VoiceOver Extra. It's time to get your mojo working.